Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is KIARA. I'm a mom to 3 little girls. I make videos about laundry motivation, clean motivation, and grocery hauls. So if you like videos like that, I hope that you would consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a fridge clean out and a grocery restock. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it.
Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened?
So first things first, I am going to take everything out of the refrigerator and then I'm going to spray it down with some disinfectant spray. Then go in with a Scrub Mommy sponge to scrub it all out, and then take a microfiber cloth and go ahead and wipe it down, and then place everything back inside.
Was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah, I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't end, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
And I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, babe.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Write my own rhymes.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take.
Alright y'all, so now I am going to clean out the freezer. I'm going to use the exact same thing that I use on the refrigerator, some disinfectant spray, the scrub mommy, and then taking a microfiber cloth and wiping it down, and then I will put everything back.
I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, babe.
Show me what you made of. You know what I came for. I see the real you. You should let her out that cage more. I've been playing it cool, but couldn't lie to you. You know what I'm waiting on. Waiting on. Waiting on. I don't wanna wait no more. No more, yeah. More. You down for the count when you needed it, breathe it. Just got too hard on your mental. I've been around at some time to care them bills. When you had them classes, remember you knew me before the back. You seen the vision, you know me for showing you things. Knew how to rip it apart, you let me inside. I pick up the pieces and place them. Come treat me right, I know you excited. Know what I like already said fire. You've been on my mind, I don't wanna hide it or fight it. Slide in the night hour, I want it right now. Wanna spend this time on you right now. Tell me, can you slide on me right now? What you want now? Can I fall through? It's on you. Your body language clear to me, but I need you to say it to me. I got a good time, been long since you had one. Been at the head down to the racks come. What you want, can you slide on me right now? Got a little something for you when you're back home. Yeah, we don't need to talk, your body on me, already saying a lot. You been on edge, you really doing the most. I've been on plays, I'm done being a ghost to you. Sometimes I get tested, these hoes on the play, but I keep it together. You know that you get what you want when you selfish. I pick you up, you can slash in it back, as long as you tell me it's mine, I'm possessed. I know how you like it, I'm all in your head, I'm embedded in your bed. Let's till we crash the connection. I got a thing for you, the way that you do it, you do make it hard to go out of range from you. You know what time it is, I'm on your line again. Pull up in 5, I throw you the vibe, you show me the things I miss. Come treat me right, I know you excited. Know what I like already said fire. You've been on my mind, I don't wanna hide it or fight it. Slide in the night hour, I want it right now. Wanna spend spending some time on you right now. Tell me, can you slide on me right now? What you want now? Can I fall through? It's on you. Your body language clear to me, but I need you to say it to me.
I'm capable of every dream. I'm worthy of every desire. I'm the only person who can decide who I am, who I become, and where I go from here.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the work it in the rhythm. I wanna ride the work it in the rhythm. I wanna so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you, and you.
Alright y'all, so now that the fridge and the refrigerator is all cleaned out and restocked, now I'm going to go ahead and wash off the rest of these grapes. I had brought 4 bags of grapes. The girls finally finished the first 2, so now I am washing off the next set. I am going to cut up some strawberries as well and then put them into the storage containers.
Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't here with me, we could be always in heat. Always, 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 always. Yeah, my loving, show me devotion I could trust in.
Alright y'all, so the grapes that I am putting into Ziploc bags are going to be the grapes that I put in the freezer. I started freezing my grapes and I let the girls try some, so now they are hooked on it too.
Burn till time for combustion. Baby, I'ma need a R&B love from the 90s. Tell me how you would die without me. Spin, move in the rain, drop to your knees. Passion on Venus, never kill the flame, keep that fire lit. Show me why you deserve it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me to be 6 feet so we stay always in.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive.
Okay, y'all, we have reached in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat. We're lose women. It took me some time, but now I moved on because I realize I've got